Hello guys and welcome to another video. This is Jaguar's Moments, and on this video we're gonna talk about a mouse from 2014. Let's start. Alright, so here we have the RAZER Deathadder, I don't know how you read that, Deathadder Chroma. This is the mouse itself. I'm using it for 4 years now, and this is the box. I still have it for 4 years now. I just thought I'm gonna make this video sometime in the future, and the time came today. Yeah, I'm very excited. So you can see the price tag here in the front of the box. Here in Europe it was cost 4 years ago €80. I find it on Amazon here, $70 on Amazon.com. So I think the price felt a little bit. In the box you can also find a manual, stickers and some other information. Yeah, I just mean these two papers here, they give it for you. Congratulations, there is no turning back, so that means you're not turning back to use another mouse from another brand. Yeah, like us and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, so it's just a commercial and stuff like this. Yeah, we are the first to offer you a mouse worthy of being called a gaming mouse. Unbelievable. So on the webpage, if you check, they're actually claiming that this RAZER Deathadder Chroma is the world's best gaming mouse with ergonomic shape favored by esport athletes, ultra accurate optical sensor of 10,000 DPU. So DPU stands for dots per inch, and it's like the standard to measure mouse sensitivity, and the higher the number is, the more sensitive the mouse, the faster the mouse sensitivity is. But of course this is a marketing trick, because so high DPU you will never use. So high DPU you'll never actually be able to click something, to aim something correctly. It's actually worthless. Usually players, even pro players, use it around 1600 up to 4000 DPU. Myself, I have it at 1800 right now, and it's going actually pretty well, good. I can play with it even games that need to be very accurate. And if I put it to 10,000, you cannot even aim to click the X button to exit. It's going actually very fast, so it's worthless. You cannot use it like this. And it also have chroma customizable lighting that you can choose over 16.8 million customizable color options. I don't know why you're gonna need 16.8 million customizable color options. I'm gonna stick with one, or I just let it change color by itself. It's changing colors by itself automatically. Now it's blue. Now it's becoming purple, pinky, now going to red, orange, yellow. Anyway, this is the reason why you buy it, for the colors, right? To change the colors and the settings of the mouse, you can download the RAZER Synapse 2.0. Make sure it's the 2.0 version, as the RAZER have already renewed the program like the 4.0 version. But it will not work with the 4.0, so make sure to download the RAZER Synapse 2.0. So install it, follow the procedure, and here it is. Here you can customize the buttons and change the settings of your mouse. On the performance you can edit the sensitivity and the DPU that we said before. On the lighting you can play with different variation of lights. You can actually control the scroll wheel light and the logo light separately. And on calibration you can calibrate your mouse depending on the mousepad that you have, if it's from RAZER. Alright, then I have a very good idea right now. We're gonna compare the RAZER Deathadder Chroma, the best gaming microphone of the world on 2014, with a simple other mouse. This is actually the Hama, probably you have heard of this brand. A simple mouse, a simple office mouse that everybody can use, I mean, for the office. And we're gonna play actually a very demanding game, the Battlefield 3, one of my favorite games. It's a bit old, but this is my laptop can play it. So we're gonna play it first with the RAZER, and I'm gonna play it for 10 minutes. I'm gonna play 10 minutes with the RAZER to see how many kills we can make, right? Let's try it like this. And after 10 minutes with the Hama here, the simple ugly mouse. And let's see which is better, kind of, or if you're gonna see any difference. Let's do it. Alright, so we are joining a map actually here on Battlefield 3. Alright, so the rules here, I will not be able to change weapon. I'm gonna use these weapons here. I'm gonna be engineer all the time. and I'm not be able to change weapons. So let's start the timer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Here we go. Alright, I have 10 minutes. Let's see how many kills we're gonna make. Where is this mouse? Oh, many people died here. Damn. I hope these guys are not pro here, everybody. Let's go, let's go. Have 10 minutes. Yeah, I got him. Right. Oh, it was here. Okay, I don't know if this counts. With grenade counts the kills. Ooh. No. Right, let's do it. Ah, he got him. Oh no. Oh, they saved me. I do be careful on this game, right? Ah, behind me. Time, a lot of time. Yeah, we got him. Ooh. Who was shooting me? Yeah, 2 kills like that. I didn't even... Behind me. Ah, come on. Ooh, so this guy. Ooh. Many. Alright, have 6 minutes still. Oh no. I'm the worst player, by the way. We'll go from another way. Somebody there. Oh! Why this guy died there?
Yeah, I've got an enemy soldier.
5 minutes 23 seconds. Look how fast he was, huh? What's my ping? 82. The other half 30, bro. Okay, anyway. No excuses here. Behind me. This guy's playing too much. Too good. Too good. Oh my god, I'm with 21. Of course I need medic, bro. They're dying here. Ah no, I have to run, I have to run, I have to run.
Yeah, I spotted an enemy soldier, over.
Shit.
Frag out!
Damn it. 3 minutes 40 seconds. Ah, I wasn't careful. Oh no. It's okay, we're gonna prove which mouse is better. If a gaming mouse is helping you on games. Yeah, I'm actually very focused right now. Kind of. Okay, 3 minutes. We're there. My god, this is... Oh my god. Finally, I killed somebody. See this guy here? Didn't kill him.
Somebody get these motherfuckers off of me!
Behind me. Ah, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Oh, damn, they're there. I'm destroying my score. 1 minute 45 seconds. Okay, finally changed my location. Ooh, where these guys are. He was coming slowly. He wanted to kill me with a knife.
Enemy soldier spotted. Over.
Oh man. Okay, I give someone kill assist. This weapon is actually not good for very far away. Ah, very bad aiming. Came near to me. What's there? Where is this guy? Oh no, bro. 2, 1. That's it. So, let's see. 7 kills, 17 times I died. That's it. So right now I'm gonna change the mouse. Okay, so actually very bad results for the RAZER, but it's not its fault, it's my fault. I'm not a good player and the other players are actually so good. They're pros, they're level 100 plus. Anyway, okay, so I'm waiting actually my laptop to rest a little bit because it starts lagging. So we're gonna go to the same map and I'm gonna try the hammer this time. First feeling after the RAZER, the buttons of the hammer, you need to click them much more inside, so it's very slow, especially the right button here. And the RAZER was so fast, I can hear this a click. It's very fast, but this one we can hear tick tick tick, so it's very slow. So let's see how it's gonna make it. I hope my PC will not lag. We didn't perform well with the RAZER because I'm not a good player, but let's see with the hammer and if we can see any difference with the score. Before it was 7 kills, 17 deaths. Let's see now what we're gonna make. Okay, so we're going for the test with the hammer right now. So I'm gonna put the timer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. I'm gonna try to play good to see how it's gonna go. Okay, the mouse this time is better sensitivity. I hope my laptop will not lag. Oh, it's there. Oh no, I have to press it one by one. It's this, I think it's broken. It's very slow, this mouse. Come on, I couldn't kill even this one. I'm gonna fail on this test for sure. Whoa. Somebody maybe is behind me. Someone is here. Someone is here. Ah, bro. It's very slow, the mouse. I can feel really good the difference, by the way. Yeah, let's do it. Oh my god. So 7 minutes. Oh my god. Come on. He came there. 6 minutes to go. At least this time I'm not dying so much, right? I think I'm playing more careful this time. I don't know. Ah, he's very fast. Behind me. 5 minutes. Come on. Oh. Ah, too far away. Oh. Where they are? This guy cannot kill him, man. Oh, I don't have bullets. I need ammo. Sorry, guy here. Thank you. Where's the thank you before I die?
Okay, great.
Come on. I didn't have bullet. 40 seconds. 39. Okay. 3, 2, 1. That's it. Look at the score. 6-6. Before I had 7 kills. Now I have 6 kills. And 7 deaths. Before I had 17 deaths. Oof. Okay, so I'm not sure if this review comparison is fair for RAZER. I don't know, maybe I warm up, maybe I get used to the game and I can start to play more carefully while I play the second time with the hammer. Maybe that's why I didn't die so many times. The kills was the same almost, 6 with the hammer, 7 with the RAZER. But I died 17 times here, by the way, and here only 7. So, I don't know. No, this is not a comparison video, by the way. This is just for fun. Don't take it seriously. For sure, this mouse here, the RAZER, is much better. You can click actually and shoot much faster. This one can lag also sometimes. So I was just making it for fun. All right. So that was the video, guys, for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. It was actually more for fun than a review. So hope you like it. Like and subscribe for more. And I'm gonna see you in the next one.